Hello everyone. If Windows Defender isn't working on your Windows 11 PC, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. First, on your keyboard, press Windows plus I to open up settings. And here, head over to Privacy and Security. In Privacy and Security, select Windows Security and open Windows Security. If you see a notification showing that your device is being protected by another provider, this is because there is another antivirus running. Head over to Apps, then select Apps and Features. And here you want to uninstall any installed antiviruses you have, as they may automatically disable Windows Defender. So just scroll down and find whatever app antivirus you have installed, click on the three dots and select Uninstall. However, if Windows Defender isn't opening or running at all, follow these next steps. In the search bar, enter Command Prompts, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type in the following: sfc /scan now. Then hit Enter. And what this will do is scan your computer and find and fix any problems with Windows Defender. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes, but once it's done, simply cancel it and restart your PC. If that doesn't work, in the search bar, once again, enter Command Prompt, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once it's open, enter the following. I'll leave it on the screen and in the description below. Then just hit Enter, and once you've done that, restart your PC. If that doesn't fix your issue, move on to the final step. For the final step, we're going to reset Windows Defender. In the search bar here, enter Windows PowerShell, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Here, paste in the following on the screen. I'll also leave it in the description below. Then hit Enter. And once you've done that, cancel it and restart your PC. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.